If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright folks, and here we go. The Velocicoaster. So it's your boy MrBucketlist. Here we go again. Oh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Jurassic World Velocicoaster. For your safety as well as a courtesy to others around you, and as I remind all of our guests that masks are still required.
Oh, it's open. Yes.
Your mask must be properly worn for the duration of when you enter the line until when you successfully exit the building or attracted. Furthermore, masks are required in all cases.
Alright, so what's going on, people? This is your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are at the Velocicoaster. This has been one of the best rides I've ever been on. It was amazing. And a road front row. Pretty cool.
Once they're gone, I'm helping to help keep you and your belongings safe. Let's prepare for your ultimate rafter close encounter. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which locker is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returning to this room, so you remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your item.
On the Jurassic World campus, combined with the ultimate state-of-the-art safety precautions, you are about to come face to face with these magnificent creatures in a way that you might have to go back in time millions of years to experience. Of course, guest safety is our paramount concern. In the grooming stations, each specimen undergoes a complex, comprehensive examination after every running cycle. Every aspect of the animal's condition, ophthalmological, dental, respiratory, and environmental.
Make sure to empty any beverages into the sink before.
Alright, so I just got off the oh my god, that
welcome aboard. And hold on, because we're about to get inside your jeans and combine them with a dinosaur's. Step 1. Place your right hand on the blue handrest, where a microscopic quantity of your genes will be painlessly captured. Good work! We captured a real fine reading that time. So now, let's take a look at what you're made of. Wow! Check out all those numbers. What you see zipping before you is your data from your brain scan. We now have all the information we need to locate your ideal dino DNA donor. And there he is! Your physical and mental profile makes you perfectly compatible with this awesome armored herd.
Let's hear it for Dr. Gene Poole, who returned before you can say, high-strung, temperamental, or pain-painted. In the meantime, one of the next guests in line can all hold their positions and press any button to sign in.
Staircase. If you're still with me, I want to thank you for watching the video. I do apologize. I understand there wasn't much ride footage on the actual ride itself. The reason why is because they made you kind of strip down and take all your cameras and stuff out, so I didn't want to break the rules. But I will tell you all this, as you can see in the background of this video, I have an Everything at Islands of Adventure coming up fairly shortly. I want to try to have it done by tomorrow, which is probably going to be impossible, but at the very latest, no later than next week, so next Thursday or Sunday. It's going to show all the rides, including this one, and all the areas, just like I always do. So if you all want to get ready for this video, like I said, definitely check out this little promo I have in the background. And then also I'll put the link in for my Everything at Universal Studios Florida. So you'll have that to kind of get you ready to know what to expect. And of course I have a huge playlist of all my other full tours of entire parks that I love to do. So I have so much more coming up. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'll see you soon. It's your boy Mr. Bucket List. Peace out.